Work in progress. So because we don't have our instant, because our KitchenAid,
I am the KitchenAid.
Yes, he is the KitchenAid. All the dough for the roti and atta and everything, he is the one who is making it. And today we decided to make gatte, also called as take paise, for lunch. So that's why he is making the dough over here. So it's basically very simple. I don't know how many of you guys know the recipe, but it is in our kitchen channel. So we'll put the link here so you guys can check that recipe out. It's basically chickpea flour, spices, make it a dough and then roll it out, and then I am boiling water over here. You boil it and let it float on the top. Once you see that it's floating, that means it's done. Let it cool down, slice it, chop some onions, some green chili, and cook it with that. It's so good. And also let me show you this. We made dough with methi because we're trying to finish our frozen stuff. So we had frozen methi, he made the dough, and that's what we are eating. Methi ke parathe, methi ke roti. People are gonna get disgusted, but it's not me. Ew. But it's not me, see. So basically you put all of them here, and once you start to cook, they'll come and float on the top, and that's when it's done. Just let it be here.
Relieved.
Yeah, right. And I've chopped some onion and green chili over here, making that. It is Sunday, so it's a relaxing day, I guess. And we have finished Van Helsing and waiting for the new season now to come out, but we have started watching Emily in Paris, and it's so much fun. My god, it's so funny. So yeah, it's a good one if you guys want to watch it. It's on Netflix. Look at Marvel, he is sleeping over here. Marvel, how is your day going, baby? He is not interested right now. So yeah, I don't want to bore you guys by updating with the packing stuff, because we are packing everything little by little. So
yeah, so we'll probably just show you when we achieve another milestone,
yeah,
like a lot of other stuff.
One day we'll be vlogging and then you won't see anything, literally, except for walls. You won't see anything behind us. That day we're gonna update you.
Yep.
So for now,
so how many of you don't like kneading a dough like her? That's the one thing that she absolutely doesn't like. And we packed our KitchenAid and everything without thinking about it. Actually, we did think about it. She did ask me, and I was like, yeah, don't worry, I'll do it.
Okay, fine.
So for the next 20 days, I'm her KitchenAid.
Yes. And also I got another excuse as saying that, oh, my nails are big and I'm growing and it's so beautiful, I don't want to spoil it. You can see they have come up on top, and I think 5-7 more minutes and they'll be done. And then I'm just gonna let them cool and slice it later on.
He's moving like water, together in motion, yeah.
Alright, our lunch is ready. Methi ke parathe you can see, and this is how the gatte take paise looks like once it's all ready. With some bundi ke raita, and
We
that's it.
love to eat this just like a snack.
Yeah, you wanna taste it? Just a take paise. Good?
Nice and crisp. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Guys, so we have decided things to do before we actually leave Florida, and one of those things is that Tanya wants to go to a store called the Container Store, and we haven't been there, and she has always been wanting to go there. So this is her time where she can go and see if there's something she likes that we can put in our new place. So we are just gonna go do window shopping pretty much. Didn't plan to take any more stuff from here, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we decided there's a pastry shop that we never got to explore. We recently discovered that. So it's a French pastry shop, actually, that's why. So we are gonna go there at someday. And what else? Let me see. And of course, we are gonna go to the beaches and stuff. But yes, we are kind of making a list of things that we want to do and visit before we actually leave Florida, because if you agree with this, comment below and let me know how many times it happens with you that you think that you would go and see this place, but it's so close that you would always keep postponing, thinking about, oh yeah, it's just, we can go there anytime, let's go and do something else, you know, which is a little bit far on a weekend or something. And then it turns out it's already time that you're leaving the place and you never visited it. And trust me, I have so many places nearby that I kept postponing and keep telling Tanya that, oh, you know what, we can do this on any weekend, you know, on any evening. Let's just go do a cruise. Let's go do this. This thing is 2 hours away or whatever. And now I'm realizing, okay, well, we kind of now have to come to Florida in order to do all those things. But anyways.
So watching Emily in Paris, I have started craving for some good French pastries so much that I googled around me like French bakery near me, and there's a very famous bakery over here called Paris in Town. And my god, I had no idea, but that bakery has so many good reviews, but it's open only like till 4 o'clock every day in the evening. So not today, for today we are late, but maybe on our next weekend we might go there and try some French food. Not French food, I mean just the pastries and coffee and all that stuff. What?
I think they call it patisserie.
Patisserie, I don't know what they call it, but yeah, it has breakfast and lunch. That's the main theme over there, and I'm super excited to try it. Oh my god, I've been watching this Emily series, has made me crave French pastries so much, especially the one that is filled with chocolate. I think it's like a chocolate croissant, but not the croissant shape that we get here. It's in a different one over there. So yeah, up here.
That was Tanya trying to speak French just like Joey. On point. Anyways, we went to the container store, we came back, and like I said, we are just going for window shopping. Not we went with an intention to buy anything, but we just wanted to see. We did find few useful things, but it wasn't like we wanted to have yet because we
do not know the dimensions.
Oh, yes.
Of the new place.
I am that shampoo guy right now because Tanya made me so. I have coconut oil. We are taking him out for a walk because we are unsure if it may rain again. So we are gonna take him for the walk and then see you guys when back.
Right. I couldn't control my craving for chocolate croissant. So we are going not to that store because that is closed, but to either Walmart or Publix and get chocolate croissant. Drinking our shake for dinner without fail every single day. That is going to be our goal from tomorrow. And we're gonna eat healthy in the lunch and we're gonna enjoy our life till 14 November and enjoy more after that. So yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, since we are not going to gym,
yeah,
we wanna control our diet.
And we're gonna start working out again from 1st December. That is our plan. Once we move, once the house is all nice and settled in, just enjoying everything. It's not that.
Yeah, we don't have community gym there, so we'll have to like figure out what are we starting, how are we doing, but we have there so much space.
Yeah, in the house itself, so we can do it.
And I may end up buying some dumbbells and we may start doing home workouts.
Yep. Alright, I got my chocolate croissant. I'm sure it's not gonna be anything like the
actual French pastry, freshly baked chocolate croissant.
But I'm still very happy for this. Very, very happy. And when we go to the other store, Paris in Town, I'm gonna get it from there. Oh.
Maybe something you like better with coffee?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's very good. I think if you warm it a little bit, it'll be more good, but as it is, very good. Especially the chocolate part.
Well, her craving is settled. So let's go home.
Yeah, we on fire. Can't hardly control it now. Temperature.
Our dinner is ready. So basically, this is what is actually called plain food. I have rice, dal, ghee, and some gatte over here that I made for lunch. And yeah, I was actually craving for just plain simple dal and rice. It's good?
Enchanté. Excelente.
Huh?
Excelente.
Excellent thing. Is salt? Oh no.
Its salt is less.
Is less? You wanna add some to mine?
पर मुझे पता नहीं कि सब्जी के साथ शायद ठीक लगा.
That's. बहुत कम है क्या?
नहीं बहुत कम नहीं है.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go enjoy our dinner.
Well, that was another beautiful Sunday in our life, and I hope you guys had an amazing Sunday as well. We are just finishing cleaning up the kitchen in the what is it called? I'm missing out in the
What?
like lazy sloppiest manner. Okay,
Yeah.
we are just cleaning the kitchen in the sloppiest manner. We have been very sloppy these days, as you can see. With all the packing and everything, we don't feel like cleaning it to
We don't have any place
that.
to keep all this. We just have to pack them.
So, and we are not able to pack everything because, I mean, this is everything that we are still eating, except I don't know what that is.
Dalia?
Oh, yes, crab feet. But yeah, I mean, we are still eating all of this, so that's the only thing outside. But we will pack some more stuff this week. That should be like our 90% packing done then by the end of next weekend.
So I guess after next weekend, it's gonna feel more realistic that, oh my god, the time is coming so close.
Yeah, because after next weekend, it will be November almost. So we are super duper excited. You guys have no clue how excited we are to show you our new place and so much more planned. And also we are excited because we are moving in a month of November when all the festivities start, you know, like Diwali, Thanksgiving, Black Fridays, and then December is special for us because we'll be celebrating our anniversary.
Yes.
5th anniversary in North Carolina, so we'll have new places to explore there and plan. And then we have my birthday in December, and then New Year and Christmas, so like it's like too much going on. So anyways, that's what we are looking forward to, and I hope you guys have something to look forward to.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share and help us grow our YouTube family.
Yes.
We'll be more than thankful for you.
And Marvel, as usual, he's lying there where nobody can see. He is invisible because of his color. So anyways, we are gonna see you in our next amazing vlog, in a next amazing beautiful week that starts tomorrow.
Yes.
Until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.